my colleague, brother, and friend, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara, Your Excellency, the former Governor of Rivers State, Your Excellency Professor Mrs. Ngozi, the Deputy Governor, Rivers State, Honorable Speaker, distinguished senators and members of the National Assembly that are here, our royal fathers, including the chairman of Rivers State Traditional Council of Traditional Rulers, invited guests, distinguished members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is with immense pleasure and gratitude that I stand on this momentous occasion to commission the Unwavering Road and Bridges projects in Rivers State. I'm deeply honored by the invitation of His Excellency, my brother, Governor Siminalayi Fubara, to participate in this memorable occasion that opens a new chapter in the development of Oko-Jumbo local government areas of Rivers State. I'm truly humbled by this honor. The completion of these ambitious projects is a clear demonstration of the vision and dedication of Rivers State government under the exemplary leadership of Governor Fubara. It is a reflection of commitment of His Excellency to infrastructural development as well as improving the socio-economic conditions and well-being of the River State. Development of infrastructure, as we know, it is a cornerstone of economic growth as well as social progress. The Unwavering roads and bridges will undoubtedly enhance connectivity, promote trade, facilitate access to essential services for the residents of this area, as well as the entire environment. The benefit of creation of a better transportation links will no doubt spur economic activities and open up new opportunities for communities in and outside of the state. The enhanced infrastructure will surely attract investment, boost tourism, and improve the sense of pride and belonging among the people of Opobo. I must acknowledge that Your Excellency visionary leadership resonates deeply with the commitment of my administration of transforming the social and economic infrastructure of Zamfara State. We share a common vision that robust infrastructure is fundamental to nurturing economic activities and uplifting standard of living of our people. Excellency, in Zamfara, we are making remarkable strides by constructing, rehabilitating key projects throughout the state, and that is exactly what you are doing in Rivers State. For example, the ongoing Gusau International Airport, as well as the construction of extensive network of rural and urban roads, are clear testimonies to our desire to improve and modernize critical infrastructure, which in the long run will improve life and activity of our electorate. These projects align with our shared vision to create opportunities and lay solid foundation for sustainable growth and development. I commend my brother, Governor Fubara, and his administration for the unwavering commitment to development of Rivers State. This dedication to creating a better future for your people is truly inspiring and serve as a model for other states to emulate. Once again, I thank His Excellency for honoring or being part of this significant event. I'm confident that the people of Opobo, the ring road, and bridges will bring lasting benefits to the people of Opobo and contributing significantly to the overall development of the state. I'm full of pride for this achievement of my brother, Governor Fubara, and with all sense of humility and honor that to the glory of God and for the benefit of mankind, I will, after this commission, the Opobo Ring Road and Bridges project today, may it serve the purpose it is intended for and stand as a beacon of development for this and the future generation to come. I therefore thank you for this wonderful opportunity. This is what democracy is all about. Keep making us proud. I'm so happy that you are not distracted and you stand tall to do all this for your people. Thank you very much. May God bless all of you. Thank you.